po ang inbound. Ang crucial one. Wala na pong timeout ang San Miguel. Mojimoso is going to the 3-point territory. 6 seconds to shoot. Tumira ng 3 points. Titira yan! Patay! Si Mike Mostre ay scoring a 3-point shot! A 20-second timeout. Court of last resort. Para kay Coach Stanley Jaworski at Dr. J. Pasang-pasang mo yung gustong gawin. Bakit ka pumunta sa 3-point shot? Pagod na players mo?
No, it's not that. You know, it's just, I have a feel, and I know what's gonna happen. It's the other team who do not know what was gonna happen to them, you know.
Nakita mo na Dr. J, sinisilip mo na pumunta na si Mike Mostre sa ibabaw. Pero the reaction of Hinep na
It's the start of the season. I think they must be a little
dapat
bit
nasa
more.
referee to.
Yeah, they should just call it.